All right, so let's check out Knowledge Check 3.4.5. So step one in this one is to install the Complete Journey package. So to do that, we use the install packages. And then when we're installing a package, we always put the package name in quotes. So this is called Complete Journey. Let's go ahead. I'm going to run that. And we see in the console where it is connecting with CRAN and it is downloading, and it says the downloaded binary packages are in this location, which we don't really need to know about that. The thing is, it was successfully downloaded. All right, so we only really need to do a package install one time on our computer. We do often do it again in the future when there's been a version update. But for the most part, when we have a version that we're happy with and we've installed on a computer, we don't need to do the install packages again. But every time we want to use that package in R, in every new R session, we need to load that package. So the step two is load the Complete Journey package. So to do that, we use library, and then we can call the library name. And you can use quotes in here. You can use it without quotes. Common convention is to not use quotes. So I'll run that, and we see we get a little welcome message, basically saying welcome to Complete Journey package. Learn more about the data sets provided by this package at this URL. All right, so next it says access the help documentation for the Complete Journey package. Right, so we can always get help information, whether it's on a package, a function, and then also many objects within R by just using the question mark. So here I do question mark Complete Journey, and I see this package does have some help information. Basically, it gives you details on, well, a quick description about what this package provides, some details, or where I can go to learn more details. Here it just provides me a link to GitHub, who the maintainer is, who other folks are that contributed, such as, in this case, this Stephen Mortimer, and then other useful links. All right, so within R, we often share more detailed information on certain parts of the package through what we call vignettes. So the next step says check out the vignettes for Complete Journey. Well, the first step is to figure out, well, what vignettes are available for a Complete Journey. And we can do that by first just saying package equals Complete Journey. Now, if I run this, what happens is I get a window that pops up. And this window will actually list all the vignettes that exist within a package. Some packages will have 1, 2, 3. Some will have 5 and even more. Right? In this case, Complete Journey only has one vignette. So if we actually wanted to look at that vignette, so now we get the name. So the vignette name is Complete Journey, just like the package name. So now what I can do is, let me go ahead and I'm going to copy this. Except I don't even need to call the package name. I can just run the name of the vignette. And you see down here in our help window, we get the vignette pops up, and I could follow through. And this actually gives full details about all the data sets that are provided within Complete Journey and kind of how you can use them. All right, so one thing is if you were to read through this, you would see that there is a function that's called get transactions. So this package basically is a package that provides mock data. Data that is of like a large retail chain throughout the US that has many customers and recurring transactions. Right, so you'll actually see this package quite often throughout this course. Well, one of the functions it provides is a get transactions. So within Complete Journey, we actually have transaction sample. So this is a sample of all the transactions available. But since the data is very large, we don't host the full data set within the package itself. But there is a get transactions function that will actually go out and download all the data. So if I wanted to do this, I'm going to go ahead and do transactions, and I'm going to run this. And it will take a little while because it's actually reaching out to the internet, going to a location where their full data set is stored, and then it's downloading over 1.5 million transactions. So it is done. Now we see down here in our global environment, we have transactions. We see we have 1.4, almost 1.5 million observations across 11 variables. And we can go ahead and we could run transactions, and we see we now have our data set. And we'll talk about the object that this data is contained. It's called a data frame, and we'll get into that some more in future sessions.